Hi everyone, this is Shweta Shaw from Million Brains, and in this video we are going to see how can we shorten or expand different URLs using Python. So let's see what are the requirements we need. The first thing is going to be a code editor, and for that I'm going to use Sublime Text 3. You can use any other code editor if you want. And the second is going to be PyShorteners, which is a Python library. Using this library, you can short or expand any URL using different URL shorteners. For this project, we are going to use tinyURL as the URL shortener. So let's see how to get these things here. So I've already shown how to get Sublime Text 3 in my earlier videos, so you can check them. For PyShortener, what we need to do, we need to just go to command prompt. We need to run it as administrator. Okay, here you just need to write pip install PyShorteners. Yeah, and you're good to go. So here it is showing requirement already satisfied because I already have this library, but in your case, the installing will start. Okay, so now I'm going to move to Sublime Text 3 to start my coding. Okay, let's first just save this. So let's call it links.py. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is importing the libraries. So from PyShorteners, import shortener. Okay, and if I run it, so it is finished. That means it has been imported. Now what I need to do, I need to create an instance of this shortener. So let's just write as shortener. Okay. So again, I have created an instance. So first, let's see what you want to do. So let's say you want to ask the user whether he wants to short or expand a link. So what you need to do, just print the statement and take the output. So let's take the output as choice. Okay, I'm just converting it to int, and that is why I've written int. Here goes the statement that you want to show to the user. Let's write enter 1 for link shortener and 2 for link expander. Okay, and then a colon. Okay. Now, if you run this, so you'll be getting this kind of a place where you can give any input. So right now, I'll just move ahead. Okay, let's first define the function for the link shortener. So let's say define short is the function. Okay, so here what you're going to do, you're going to take an input which is going to be the link that the user wants to shorten. So let's just do that. Link equals to input. Write any statement that you want. Enter the link to be shortened. Okay, we are storing it as link. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a shortened link with this link. Okay, for that what we need to do, s dot tiny URL. Okay, so this is going to be my URL shortener for this project. You can use different shorteners such as Bitly or any other thing. You can check out the documentation of PyShorteners. There you can see how many options you have and which one you want to work with. Right now I'm just going with tiny URL. Then you need to write short because you want to tell it that you want to short a link. Okay, and here goes your link. Okay, let's just store. So this will be returning you the shortened link. So let's just store s link here. Okay, now you want to show the user the link that has been shortened. So let's just print the short link is. Okay, then plus and then s link. Okay, this will work. Now let's just write another function for expanding. So let's just define it as exp. Okay. Here what we're going to do is we're going to take an input, which will be a link which the user wants to expand, or you can say decrypt. So I'm just copying it here and I'll do the necessary changes. So enter the link you want to, enter the link to be expanded. Then I'm going to, okay, let's just write it e-link and this as ex link. As I want to expand it, so I need to convert it to expand. Okay, and here goes the link, e-link. Yeah, and you'll be printing out the expanded link is ex link. Okay, so here we have both the functions. Now, as per the choice the user has given, we'll be executing them. So we'll be checking if choice equal to 1, which is for link shortening. What we're going to do is we're just going to run this method short. Okay, elif choice equal to 2. I think I gave the same thing. 2 for link expander. Yeah, if this is 2, then I'm going to execute exp, right? Okay, and if the entry is anything other than 1 or 2, I'm going to print wrong entry. Okay, so let's just save it. So now I'll go to CMD. I'll open it, and what I need to do is I need to run this using this command Python and the name of the py file. So this has been stored as link underscore s dot py. Okay, now it is asking, yeah, now it is asking for the input whether I want to shorten the link or expand it. So I'll press 1. Okay, enter the link to be shortened. So www.google.com goes here. Okay, and it has returned me this link. Okay, so I'm just copying it here. I'm just opening my Chrome over here and I'm just pasting the link. And here you can see that this website has appeared. Okay, so that means it is working properly. Now let's just run it again. Okay, now I'm going to give 2 as the input. Now it is asking me for the link to be expanded. I'm going to give the same link that it returned me as the shortened link for www.google.com. And now I'll just wait. Okay, so here it is giving me the actual link which was encrypted as this link that I gave it. And here you can see that I have got the real link. So yeah, that is all for this video. And if you have any question or any doubts, so you can comment down. Thank you.